Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, modern living room design with that extra touch of luxury. If you've ever wondered how to make your living room look sleek, stylish, and super high-end without totally breaking the bank, then this video is definitely for you. First things first, let's talk layout. A modern luxury living room isn't just about the furniture, it's about how you place it. Think open and airy. Float your sofa away from the wall if you can, or create little conversation areas with accent chairs. Ever tried placing two armchairs opposite the sofa with a coffee table in between? Instant modern charm. Now let's move to the color palette. Modern luxury is all about balance. Go for neutral tones like whites, creams, grays, or soft beiges. Then, add contrast with black accents, rich textures, or even a bold pop of color, maybe deep green, navy blue, or burnt orange. What's your favorite accent color? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your ideas. Lighting makes a huge difference. And I'm not just talking about one ceiling fixture. Layer your lighting with floor lamps, wall sconces, and maybe a beautiful chandelier or statement pendant light. You want the room to glow, not just light up. Let's not forget the walls. Modern luxury loves minimalism, so pick one large piece of art, or create a clean, well-balanced gallery wall. And if your walls are plain, adding subtle paneling or molding can instantly upscale the look. Materials matter. Try mixing velvet with metal or marble with wood. These textures not only feel luxurious but look incredibly polished and designer approved. A sleek marble coffee table, a gold tray with candles, a velvet throw pillow, these little touches go a long way. And don't forget to add life to the space. A tall indoor plant in a chic planter or a few small plants on the shelves can bring in that fresh, luxurious feel while keeping things grounded. Direct hit quick tip, less is more. Avoid clutter, keep your decor pieces intentional and curated. A few well-chosen accessories will always look more sophisticated than an overcrowded shelf. So, which of these ideas do you already use in your living room? Or are you thinking of trying a full refresh? Tell me in the comments, I'd love to hear your plans. And hey, if you enjoyed this little design session, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more home decor inspiration, and tap the bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep creating a home that feels just as amazing as it looks. See you in the next one.